Hello student, let us solve a problem on torsion of circular shaft. Problem number 10. Let us read what is given here. In this problem, a 12 millimeter diameter set screw breaks during tightening when a force of 40 Newton is applied at the end of spanner range, that means range 300 millimeter long. Find the force required which will break a 16 millimeter diameter set screw of similar material when tightened with the same spanner. Same spanner means 300 millimeter long. Similar material means mainly here same induced shear stress in set screw material and also same specific weight. In our problem, given data d1 equal to diameter of set screw in first case equal to 12 millimeter, F1 equal to breaking force during tightening in first case, F1 equal to 40 Newton, L length of the spanner, L equal to 300 millimeter, D2 diameter of set screw in second case, D2 equal to 16 millimeter, F2 force required which will break 16 millimeter dia set screw, that is we find out. Here if this is the set screw and this is the spanner, then force applied F1 length of the spanner 300 millimeter. So torque T1 equal to F1 into L, that is L. So torque required to break set screw during tightening T1 equal to F1 into L, F1 equal to force to break set screw during tightening, L equal to length of the spanner, value of F1 40 Newton, value of L 300 millimeter equal to 1,2,0,0 Newton millimeter. This is equation number 1. Again, we know formula of torsion, that means torque transmitted by set screw diameter D1, torque transmitted by set screw T1 equal to pi by 16 into D1Q into Fs. D1 diameter of set screw in first case, Fs shear stress induced in set screw material equal to pi by 16, D1 equal to 12Q into Fs. This is equation number 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, we can say pi by 16 into 12Q into Fs equal to 1,2,0,0. From this equation, we calculate value of Fs 1,2,0,0 into 16 by pi into 1 by 12Q. By calculation, value of Fs equal to 35.3677 Newton per millimeter square. So, induced shear stress in set screw material is 35.3677 Newton per millimeter square. Okay. In second case, now torque transmitted by the 16 millimeter diameter set screw T2 equal to pi by 16 into d to the power q into Fs. D2 equal to diameter of set screw, value 16 millimeter. Fs induced shear stress in set screw material, that is already find out 35.3677. So T2 equal to pi by 16 into 16 to the power q into 35.3677 equal to, by calculation, value of T2 28,439 Newton millimeter. This is equation number 3. Okay. In second case, let F2 force which will bake the set screw in Newton, Again, torque T2. So, torque T2, if this is set screw, this is the spanner, F2 force is applied, length of the spanner 300 millimeter, then torque T2 equal to F2 into L, that is F2 into 300. This is equation number 4. Okay. Now from equation 3 and equation 4 we can say F2 into 300 equal to 2844.39. By calculation, F2 equal to 94.81 Newton. This is the answer. It is clear, my student. Thank you.